Hello, my dear children. How are you all? Welcome to the geography class of Standard 7. I hope you have read the content of this chapter in the previous video. And in this video, we shall discuss about greenhouse effect and global warming, impact of global warming, and ways to reduce global warming. Let's begin. What is a global warming? Global warming is the rise in the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere. Now let us understand the impact of global warming. Increase in ocean temperature. Ocean temperature rise has led to the expansion of ocean water, due to which low-lying river deltas or low-lying areas or lowlands have gone underwater. This has created threat to the coastal communities. Global warming has also altered the freeze-thaw cycle of Arctic Ocean, and the air temperature is rising and polar ice sheets are also releasing water in oceans, creating a threat to polar habitat. Next impact is increase in annual temperature. One of the most immediate and obvious impact of global warming is the increase in temperatures around the world. The average global temperature has increased by about 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit over the past 100 years, according to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. Next impact of global warming is effects on health. More frequent and severe heat waves will result in a greater number of heat-related deaths, bad air, allergy, and asthma. Global warming could increase smog pollution in some areas and intensify pollen allergies and asthma. Hotter condition could also aggravate local air quality problems already afflicting more than 100 million people. Next impact of global warming is deforestation. The use of forests for fuel, both wood and for charcoal, is one cause of deforestation, but in First World War, our appetite for wood and paper product, our consumption of livestock grazed on farmer forest land, and the use of tropical forest land for commodities like palm oil plantation contributes to the mass deforestation of our world. Forests remove and store carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and this deforestation releases large amount of carbon, as well as reducing the amount of carbon capture on the planet. Let us understand some ways to reduce global warming. What are the various steps that we can take to reduce global warming? Here are some ways to reduce global warming, such as power your home with renewable energy, wind or solar energy, and we can also use energy efficient equipment. Carpools and use of public transport would reduce carbon footprints. What is carbon footprints? Amount of carbon dioxide emitted by a person as a result of carbon consumption of an individual. Reduce, reuse and recycle the organic and inorganic wastes. Use CFL bulbs or LED bulbs. What is the full form of CFL? Compact fluorescent bulb, and full form of LED is light emitting diode. Yes, LED bulbs do not contain mercury. Therefore, it is always suggested to use LED bulbs and CFL bulbs, which are more efficient. We can also use or adopt some simple habits like switching off electronics when not in use, etc. These are some ways with which we can reduce global warming to much extent. We can also plant trees. Like that, we can adopt simple habits. With this, we conclude our chapter Greenhouse Effect and Global Warming. I hope you have understood each and every topic taught to you in both the videos. Before I say goodbye, I request you children to watch both the videos of this chapter for proper clarification and better understanding. Till then, goodbye children.